Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking beef embutido. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, red bell pepper, eggs, carrots, breadcrumbs, sweet relish, tomato sauce, and cheddar cheese. We have also sausages, hard-boiled egg, salt, pepper, and of course our 70% lean beef. All right, so let's get started. Okay, let's do the mixing of the ingredients. Let's put our onions, red bell pepper, carrots, breadcrumbs, sweet relish, tomato sauce, and also we're gonna put our eggs, 2 eggs, and then we can add now our cheddar cheese. Now we're gonna mix this real good, so all the ingredients will be mixed together, and it will be better if we're gonna mix this by hand. Now here is our mixture of the ingredients and the ground beef. Now we're gonna wrap this now, and we're gonna form a cylindrical shape for our embutido. Now we'll put 3 spoonfuls of our mixture here. We'll flatten it, and then we have to put the boiled egg and sausage inside. Okay, put egg, sausage, put egg here, sausage, egg over there, and sausage. All right, now we're gonna roll this so the sausage and egg will be in the middle. Okay, gonna roll it like that, and it's in the middle, and then we have to roll all the way. All right, and then we're gonna close one end, then pinch the other end, and close it tight. Okay, so this should be our embutido to be cooked. Now here is our beef embutido. We're gonna steam it for 1 hour. So See you after an hour. Here's the finished product, beef embutido. Please don't forget to share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and have a nice day.